boom, 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 chicka, 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 boom, 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 chicka. So today I'm gonna do my first review of an operating system. This will be Linux Mint 22, and I know I'm kind of late to the game. A lot of people have done reviews as well, but I haven't done a review yet, and I haven't taken a look at it, and so this will be a chance for me to take a look at it before I ever use it for my daily use case. So, Linux Mint 22, that's what I'm going to be taking a look at pretty quickly here. And, I want you to know that I expect it at some point to become my daily driver. However, in most cases, this review is just a short review. Okay, I'm going to borrow some terminology from the Linux cast because I don't know what else to say it. I'm probably going to do some long-term reviews and short-term reviews for some different stuff. Now, what is a long-term review and what is a short-term review? A short-term review, if you've ever seen DistroTube's reviews, some of them, is pretty much like that, except for I may not do what everybody else does. I may not, because I'm not trying to copy them. I'm trying to be my own thing. So, I probably won't have the same input, and that's what will make mine valuable. Plus, it's good experience for me as a YouTuber and as a Linux user, and it's great experience when I do Windows for some reason. It's great experience for some vocational stuff, as well as, again, YouTuber. However, just so you know, right now I am daily driving Linux Mint 21.3 on both the office computer, which I'm at right now, and the home computer, the main home computer. So my definition of a long-term review, which I may do at some point, will be that I get it set up for me as if I'm distro hopping to that thing. Or I fail to do so if I can't use it for my use case. And I think I will do lots of video input on that. Now, my definition of a long-term review: there's no set time. It may take months, it may take years, it may take weeks or seconds. Well, probably not seconds, but you get the picture. This one, first of all, is a short-term review. Okay, let's dig in. Alright, so I am going to open a web browser. These things take a little time sometimes. There it goes. I'm gonna let it go to my home page. Because I pretty much always do that, of course. Then I'm going to go to www.linuxmint.com. Okay, this is the website from which you download Linux Mint 22. Right off, you see the download button, and then you see installation instructions. So let's scroll down. What is Linux Mint? Linux Mint is an operating system for desktop and laptop computers. It is designed to work out of the box and comes fully equipped with the apps most people need. Productivity. Well, you can read all about these as you go to the website. And another interesting thing, so it works out of the box. That's kind of why I like it. Keep it simple, stupid, is a thing that they try and follow. And they've got some news and all these things. Alright. You can donate right here. And then about, let's do that next. About Linux Mint. Purpose. The purpose of Linux Mint is to produce a modern, elegant, and comfortable operating system which is both powerful and easy to use. Some of the reasons for the success of Linux Mint are: it works out of the box with full multimedia support and is extremely easy to use. It's both free of cost and open source. It's community driven. Users are encouraged to send feedback to the project so that their ideas can be used to improve Linux Mint. Based on Debian and Ubuntu, it provides about 30,000 packages and one of the best software managers. It's safe and reliable. Thanks to conservative software updates, a unique update manager, and its robust Linux architecture. Linux Mint requires very little maintenance. No regressions, no antivirus, no anti-spyware, etc. That doesn't mean it's never suffered a regression, I'm sorry to say, but it's kind of not very common. Okay, let's see, history. You can read about it when you want to. Okay, let's go to screenshots. Might be interesting. These are some of the screenshots. See, looks pretty cool, huh? Pretty modern compared to older versions. Alright, that's enough screenshots for now. And Cinnamon is what we're looking at. Alright, so we are going to go to... Let's go to Contact Us. So you can support queries, read the documentation, go to the forums, chat rooms, feedback, contribute, bug reports, and things like that, and get involved. And then about project donors, sponsors, partners, Let's go to store. I think you'll find that interesting, guys. In the store, you can buy PCs or open a shell, which is basically in a web browser, kind of like what I'm gonna do, but not really. So you can buy things with those, with Linux Mint pre-installed. So you don't have to install it yourself. And we have polo and t-shirts, yeah, merchandise like that. I should get a t-shirt one of these days. Do they have any I like? Women's, of course. No, I'm looking for men's. I'm a man, guys. Scrolling through, I don't really see any that interest me. I'm not buying them today anyway. Alright, and then we have download. So, we're going to go here. Cinnamon Edition is what I'm trying out today. And I'm going to download it. I'm going to download it from the USA Mirror. Kernel.org USA Mirror is probably a pretty good one. Unlike in the past, the mirrors should be all the same. So from Proxmox, let's create a VM. Let's call it S Linux Mint Test Linux Mint. Here, try again. S Linux Mint 22 test. There we go. Okay. And then the OS will be from the ISO image. It will have okay, that's fine. It will have a 120 gigabyte disk. CPU is fine. We will give it, we will calculate out and give it 4 gigabytes RAM. Oh wait, no. 8 gigabytes RAM, 8192. Okay. And we are good. Okay. We'll start the VM. Let's see what's going on here. Let's go back to that mode. Let's go back to that mode. To the live system. Okay, so we're on the live system. the first thing we're going to do is double click the installer icon. And then we're going to go continue. Continue. Install multimedia codecs. Continue. And we're going to erase the disk and install Linux Mint. Click Install. Continue. Pretty straightforward installation process. And waiting again. We are in the Los Angeles time zone. Continue. Okay. In the username will be virtual. The host name is Linux Mint 22 test. The username is virtual. And then a password. We're going to require my password to log on, and we're not going to encrypt the home folder. And then continue. And we've got a start to copying the files. We're going to make this bigger. Okay. So then we've got a nice slideshow. It says, "Welcome and thank you for choosing Linux Mint. This slideshow will show you around while the system is being installed on your computer. Be fast and safe on the web with Mozilla Firefox. Watch your favorite shows on Netflix and YouTube. Enjoy your music. Listen to podcasts and online videos. Oh, radio, sorry. Enjoy a high-definition movie or video with VLC and the media player. All modern codecs are supported. Organize, enjoy, and share your photos, export your albums, and share them with friends and family. Keep in touch with your friends and contacts by email, IRC, or on your favorite social networks. Linux Mint provides all you need to interact with Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Slack, Telegram, Viber, Discord, and many other networks. Use LibreOffice to create professional documents, spreadsheets, and presentations that are fully compatible with Microsoft Office. Share printers or access them remotely. Browse through 30,000 free applications from the Software Manager. Enjoy screenshots and user reviews. Install software with one click of the mouse. Install Wine and run Windows software in Linux Mint, or install VirtualBox and run Windows itself within Linux Mint. Make yourself at home and modify any aspect of your desktop. Choose from a huge variety of themes, icons, and backgrounds. Linux Mint is open and easy to customize. Receive fixes and security updates all in one place for the entire system, including the software you install. If you're curious about something or if you're facing a problem, simply ask around. Linux Mint is one of the most popular desktop distributions and used by millions of people. It comes with a user guide, a community website, a collection of tutorials, active forums and chat rooms, and one of the most dynamic communities on the internet. Okay, I'll continue when this finishes copying files. Okay, we're through with that. We're going to hit restart now. And we're going to hit enter. And then it should boot up into Linux Mint 22 pretty quickly. Or it could. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna log on. Oh. Okay, we've got a welcome screen. We've got a notification down here. Oh, connection established. That's the network. We've got a nice welcome screen. Welcome to your new operating system. The welcome screen will guide you through your first steps, show you how to find help, and where to get more information about Linux Mint. On behalf of the development team and everyone involved in the project, we'd like to thank you for choosing Linux Mint. We hope you'll enjoy it, using it as much as we enjoy working on it. Have a great time and don't hesitate to send your feedback. We can do Let's Go. So here it wants us to choose the desktop colors, which I like. It's okay. System snapshots, driver manager, and update manager, and system settings, and software manager, and firewall. So we're gonna uncheck this. I said, yeah, uncheck it and close the program. Now we've got down here Firefox. We will see what version we've got. Okay, so we will go skip this step, skip this step, skip this step. Excuse me guys, sorry. And then we can go start browsing. And here we've got the privacy policy. So if we go here and we go to help, about Firefox, we can see that it's Firefox 128.0 64-bit. Okay. We'll try browsing and see how that works. So we are gonna search for, how about, yes, stay signed out. We're gonna search for apples from Ellensburg. And the first thing that comes up is Cook's Orchard. We'll click there for a second. Yeah, it wants us to log into Facebook, so we're not gonna do that. But yeah, see, browsing's pretty fast. Okay, then we'll go into a terminal and we'll do neofetch, and this is the information it gets. Okay, then we will go to help, about 3.32.0 for GNOME Terminal, and then we'll go into files. This is Nemo, and we have 6.2.6. Okay, but what else do we have? In the menu, here, I gotta get rid of that for a second. There we go. Now go back into the menu. So we can shut down, log off, lock screen. Here. So we'll do Preferences. Okay, we'll start here. Accessories. We've got an archive manager, a calculator, a character map, disks, document viewer, file renamer, files, image view, notes. Let's go to notes. Oh, it's the sticky notes, basically. Delete the note. I don't know if that's new or not. I haven't really messed with that before. Okay, so those are that. In graphics, yeah, not a lot changed there. In internet, oh, we've got matrix. Let's see what that is. Code of conduct. I don't think we'll post anything, but we'll connect and see what happens. We agree to the rules, of course, but we're not really gonna post. We're just gonna see what happens here. A little spinning wheel for a little bit. Okay. Dismiss. So this kind of reminds me of Discord. But I think this is for talking to people about Linux Mint. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that now. I think that's new. And then Office. We've got Office programs. LibreOffice. And then sound and video. Oh, do we have... Yes, we do. I'm gonna see if I can show you a TV program. So we'll just go to... We have to wait for it to create the playlist. Okay, we'll go to TV channels. We want it from United States, USA. And we will choose Retro TV. I have no idea what's going to be on TV, but we'll see if we can see. So I wanted to show you, but I guess right now that's gonna load too slow. So, but that's a TV application that you can use on your computer. And so administration, these are all the administrative stuff. Preferences, all the preferences, and that's the menu. So that was my first looks at Linux Mint 22. And now see you later for the next thing that we're doing on this channel. Okay, that was a great video. Please like the video if you like it, dislike if you dislike it, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. As you can see, This takes effort and resources, so if you can afford it, please use Patreon for financial support. I'm not planning on doing this as a job right now, but every little bit will help me out. Also, right now I just make them for a hobby and to inform the world. And I hope you are supporting other creators whom you like as well. I'll see you later.